Welcome everyone to Sea Lion Cavern. I'm Ranger Finley, reporting for duty. Please remember, while you're here, to stick together and most importantly, take only photos and leave only footprints. First stop on our tour is our brand new hydro-powered system. State of the art. Oh, okay. All right, there we go. I'm so sorry about that. I had no idea this thing was so touchy, and I will definitely be more careful next time. Next stop, our very own window to the sea. The best place to do marine life. You might even see a few friends swimming around back there. And speaking of friends, let me introduce you to Captain Maud. She's been out on patrol all day. Hey there, Captain. I got a question for you. How's the water today? Okay. Did you know that California sea lions can swim over 20 kilometers per hour? That was absolutely outstanding, boss. But hold on a second. Something's missing. Where are those two? Shelly! Jenkins! Every time.
Good morning, Ranger Finley!
You are late. No time to waste. Front and center for our daily exercises. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
One.
That was horrible. Guess we'll have to try something a bit easier. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Look at this, Ranger Finley! It looks like Shelly have a sore flipper from all these exercises we've been doing.
Well, lucky for you, you can do exercises for both of you then.
Exercise me? Oh no! I have a sore flipper too, just like Shelly.
Flipper. You don't have flippers. Jenkins.
Oh wow! How do you do that?
Sometimes if you say something just right at Sea Lion Cavern, you might hear an echo. Echo. You would know that if you had studied the Ranger Manual.
Oh yeah, sure. The Ranger Manual. Shelly and I swam together last night. Do you remember something, Shelly? Okay. Yeah? No. Really? That's amazing. Shelly said that in the Ranger Manual that citizens united live in both water and land. The water is where they go hunting, and in the land is where they escape from predators and other threats such like sharks.
Blue alert! Illegal fishing has been reported at Sea Lion Cavern.
There's no fishing at Sea Lion Cavern. This is a marine protected area. Shelly, Jenkins, put the word out. We're going to need all the help we can get.
All right. Let's go, Shelly.
And tour group, you can help us too. If you see anybody fishing, make as much noise as possible. There's no illegal fishing happening on our watch.